All right, okay, so everyone, you just finished the Google Slides and then you went and did the Google form for me. So thank you very much for that. Next, we're going to do our Google document passage. So again, this isn't a super long one, but it is important and I want you to go through it because it's going to help you learn more about this topic of wildlife and surviving in the wild. So you're going to see I attached a reading passage. I want you to read the passage and return here for your next assignment. So you're going to click my link right here. It's highlighted blue so you know where to click. And it's going to take you over here. This is a Google Doc that everyone should have access to, and I want you to read both these passages. Although I don't have any questions right here for you, I will have some in the next couple assignments, so please pay attention. If it helps, you can use the highlight tool up here, and you can highlight important things for you. But this story is super, super interesting. You're learning about animals and plants. Doesn't get any better than this, okay? So just read this document, super easy, and when you're done, you can exit out and come back to this page and I'll show you how to do the next assignment.